Remember, it's all in the hat. The window at the start.
I need Percy. Train you off. Tell us about it.
Stay around, Chip.
That's right. Run and Friends, Season 9 Shorts. Fairy Tale Fear is proud to present Percy Gets His Bad Friend. Once upon a time in Tibbet's sheds, and that's right, Percy was sitting down at Tibbet's sheds in the morning. Oh my, says Percy, I don't believe it. Red paint holds the red stripe, the green background. Percy suddenly, next, that's not right. Tom, Percy, you go more or drop. Get some quarry. Top of head. Just then, Harold. Wait. Hello, Percy. Are you sure? Having fun? Okay, yes, you're right. I will just have very job to do. Don't worry. Hey, Percy, I can fly. Whee! Percy was so bad, my friend. He was going to into your never station. You can get to work. And Percy was stopped at the quarry.